In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email template in Figma with Marca Email Generator plugin. Start by opening your design in Figma. With your file ready, open the Plugins panel by pressing Ctrl+/. In the search field, type Marca Email Generator and run the plugin. This brings up the Marca interface right inside Figma so you can build structured, responsive email layouts without leaving your canvas. At the top of the plugin, click the plus icon. This generates a new empty responsive container for your email. Think of it as the foundation. It's sized and structured to behave well across devices, which saves time you'd otherwise spend wrestling with spacing and responsiveness. If you want a head start, look under the Assets section in the plugin, where you'll find pre-built templates. Select one that matches your content needs. These templates come with sensible hierarchy, spacing, and common sections already in place, letting you swap text and imagery quickly. Prefer to build it yourself? Use the plugins library to add components like headers, footers, content blocks, and cards. Or create your own using Figma's auto layout. Auto layout is great here. It keeps spacing consistent, lets elements adapt as content changes, and helps ensure a clean vertical rhythm. As you assemble sections, keep your typography sizes, line lengths, and color contrast accessible and readable. Now add your content. Replace placeholder text with your copy. Drop in images and set up buttons. Use the Properties tab to add URLs to images and buttons so everything is clickable in the final email. Be intentional with link labels and confirm that your primary call to action stands out. Keep image sizes reasonable to balance quality and load speed, and align content consistently so it feels cohesive. When your layout looks solid, click the Preview button in the plugin. Review both desktop and mobile views. Check headline, wrapping, image scaling, button tap areas, and spacing between sections. If something feels tight or misaligned, adjust your auto layout settings or padding until it reads clearly at every size. Once you are happy, select your email frame and use the plugin to export HTML. The plugin will package your design into email-friendly code, preserving structure and links. Save the export, and you are ready to integrate it into your sending platform. That's it. Thanks for watching.